Welcome to this Specialty Products Company installation video for the EasyCam XR camber adjusting kits. These kits allow both positive and negative camber correction up to approximately 1.75 degrees and are designed to be used in non-slotted McPherson struts. They are designed to be used in the upper strut to spindle bolt, where the strut design uses two bolts to connect the strut to the spindle. This easy-to-use adjuster provides built-in adjustment over the life of the vehicle just by rotating the head of the bolt. The EasyCam XR comes in different sizes depending on the application. Each kit contains two cam bolts, enough to do both sides of the vehicle. The example used here is a 2000 Dodge Caravan. It has a 14mm bolt, and application calls for the use of an 81-260 kit. Please follow all safety precautions associated with this product. After determining the amount of camber correction needed, jack up and support the vehicle and remove the tire and wheel assembly. A camber reference gauge such as the 81-139 can be used to adjust camber. Lock the rotor in place with a wheel nut, then mount the gauge to the rotor. Remove the top strut to knuckle bolt and nut. An important part of this kit is the tabbed washer. Make sure it is installed on the head of the bolt. Install the bolt into the strut hole, making sure the inner tab is recessed in the hole and the outer handle on the washer is either toward the tire for positive camber or towards the engine for negative camber correction. Install the lock nut and tighten only so the head of the bolt can still be rotated. With the camber reference gauge set to 0, loosen the lower strut mounting bolt. Rotating the head of the bolt will adjust the camber angle. Watch the camber reference gauge to get the desired setting. This example shows a positive camber change. For negative camber, position the tabbed washer towards the engine. Now rotate the head of the bolt for negative camber change. Now tighten and torque both the lower and the new EasyCam upper strut mounting bolts. EasyCam XR torque specifications for all kits can be found on the instruction sheet included in the box. Remove the gauge and the wheel nut. Reinstall the tire and wheel assembly, then recheck all the alignment readings. The EasyCam XR can be adjusted from underneath the vehicle by loosening the bolts and then turning the head of the bolt to get the desired camber reading.